Welcome to this BoldDesk AI Copilot tutorial. This video demonstrates how BoldDesk's AI Copilot enhances productivity by highlighting its key features. To get started with the BoldDesk AI Copilot, refer to the video linked in the card or the description below. AI Copilot leverages existing resources, including knowledge base articles, Q&A content, web pages, and uploaded files to generate ticket responses for support agents. This eliminates the need for manual searching and ensures accurate, context-aware replies. For lengthy customer conversations, Copilot uses the Summarize button to automatically summarize the content, allowing agents to quickly understand the issue and respond appropriately. Copilot also includes advanced text editing capabilities. It can rewrite messages, correct grammar, and adjust the length or tone of content to improve clarity and professionalism with just a few clicks. The built-in multilingual support enables Copilot to instantly translate text into multiple languages, allowing teams to serve global customers without language barriers. With BoldDesk AI Copilot's review response feature, you can make sure every reply is clear and complete. And here's how it works. You start by writing your response in the ticket editor. Then click AI Assist and choose Review Response. The AI checks your draft and gives you 3 helpful insights. The addressed points show what you've covered well, and the unaddressed points convey anything you might have missed. Then there is Suggested Response, which is a polished version with better clarity and tone. If you like the suggestion, just click Use Suggested Response, and your draft is instantly updated, ready to send. Copilot makes content creation effortless by drafting knowledge base articles and Q&A pairs directly from ticket conversations. We will dive deeper into this feature in the next video. It generates concise summaries for long articles, making them easier for customers to read and understand. Additionally, to improve search engine visibility, Copilot assists in creating SEO-optimized content, enhancing the discoverability of knowledge base articles. By combining these features, BoldDesk AI Copilot accelerates workflows, improves response quality, and supports exceptional customer service, all while saving valuable time. Activate AI Copilot in BoldDesk today to elevate your support experience. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe. Thanks for watching.